Remember that strip stick I talked about in the beginning? This is mine, and it's an 18-inch strip stick. They are available on my website, and they are fantastic. I absolutely love them. And let me show you why. I need to iron this seam open, and it's going to go on the strip stick with the seam allowance right on the top. Now I can run my finger along the top of it, and it just glides. It keeps it so nice. I use my finger to glide in front of the iron because occasionally when you're doing this and you don't do that, one of the sides will want to do that. So I like to just keep it going because it's faster for pressing. Now I can go back and use the pressing pin and run it along the seam. I just press down one time very quickly, and that will moisten it enough to do the whole thing without a problem. So I run it along. And that's all the extra it takes. And look how flat that is, as opposed to this, where it's standing up along the edges. It's an extra step, but in the long run, this extra step really pays off. All right, there's our first strip done and ready to go back on the design wall. So in the interest of time, I'm not going to let you have to watch me continue to do this. I will continue to put these in pairs, and then we'll look at what to do with the pairs.